In this video, I want to put a quiz on Moodle, and the type of quiz I want I'll set up so that it might be fun for the students and hopefully they'll learn something from it. But also I would like to get some feedback on their progress as well. So we're going to put two quizzes on Moodle. This first one is really more of a diagnostic. I'm looking at the place where I'd like the quiz to be, but I can't insert it yet because first I have to turn on editing. So I must scroll up to the top and click the blue Turn Editing On button. Once editing's on, I come back to the place I would like it and I can click on the Add an Activity or Resource button, which brings up the dialog box. I'll scroll down until I find Quiz, select it and add it to the course. As with the questionnaire activity, what we're doing here is not making our quiz, but just making the container for the quiz. So the first thing we need to do is give it a name. And as it's about Moodle, we'll just call it Moodle Quiz. Next comes the description, and here I'll give instructions to the students. So I'll just add something generic here. Try this quiz to see how well you've understood the key ideas. But also I want to add something so that they don't think that this is assessed work and they don't cheat or look at books, because that won't give me a clear picture of their ability. So I'll add it is not assessed as coursework, just for fun. That way I hope I'll get a more genuine picture, and I can highlight that and using this A button here change the color if I want to. Now we've got, as usual, several options here, most of which aren't interesting, but we'll look at grade. We won't give it a category. I recommend never to touch that one. I'd like them to have unlimited attempts. Yes. The grading method, highest grade, can be useful in some circumstances, but if they try this 3 times, I would expect them all to get 100% by the end. So I'm more interested in just getting their first attempt. The next thing I'll look at is question behavior. Shuffle within the questions. Yes, so that means that the answer to number 1 won't always be A. The first time they try it, it'll be A, the second time C, etc. and it'll mix. Finally, just the common module settings will make it invisible. So I'll set this to hide so that the students don't see me constructing it, and I can make it visible again when I'm ready. Save and return to course. Brings me back to the main page, and here is our quiz.